Hello everyone, myself Shreya Shree and I am the volunteer of Forensic Science. Today we will learn about the topic is Forensic Odontology, identifying victim through teeth. And the agenda is introduction, definition, historical background, importance of forensic odontology, structure of human teeth, types of dental evidence, role of forensic odontologist, method of identification, age estimation from teeth, gender and ancestry determination, bite mark analysis, DNA extraction from teeth, procedure in forensic dental identification, challenges in forensic odontology, and conclusion. We will start from introduction. Forensic odontology is the branch of forensic science that deals with the examination, handling, and evaluation of dental evidence. It plays a crucial role in identifying a known human remain, especially when the body is decomposed, burned, or mutilated. Teeth are the hardest tissue in the human body and can survive extreme conditions. Hence, identification often becomes the last resort in many disaster or crime situations. Definition. According to the American Board of Forensic Odontology (ABPFO), forensic odontology is the proper handling, examination, and evaluation of dental evidence in the interest of justice. It involves the application of dental knowledge to legal problems. Historical background. Historical background 4980. Agrippina identified her son by his teeth. Earliest recorded case. 1897. Fire in Paris Opera House. Dental identification first officially used. World War II. Dentists helped identify bodies of soldiers and Nazi leaders, including Adolf Hitler. Since then, it has become a recognized forensic field worldwide. Now, importance of forensic odontology. Teeth are unique to every individual like fingerprints. Dental records are often available from clinics, making comparison easier. Helps identify victim in mass disaster, plane crashes, tsunamis, earthquakes, fire accidents, decomposed or mutilated bodies, unclaimed bodies, or missing person cases. Can also provide clues about age, sex, ancestry, and habits. Structure of human teeth. Each tooth consists of enamel. Hardest substance resists heat and decomposition. Dentinal bulb contain DNA material cementum. Anchor tooth to the jawbone. The arrangement, where fillings, restoration, and dental work make every set of teeth distinctive. The types of dental evidence. Antemortem before death records. Dental charts, x-ray, photographs, model, treatment notes. Postmortem after death records. Collected from deceased individual by forensic odontologist. Bite marks found on victim, suspect, or object. DNA from teeth excreted when soft tissues are degraded. Role of forensic odontologist. Examine and collect dental evidence at crime scene or mortuaries. Compare antemortem and postmortem records for identification. Analyze bite marks to link suspect or victims. Estimate age from teeth useful in jawlines or unidentified remains. Assist in main disaster identification (DVI). Provide expert testimony in court. Method of identification. Dental chart comparison. Compare fillings, missing teeth, crown, and root canal treatment. Radiographic comparison. Use dental x-ray to match root shape, bone level, sinus patterns. Photographic and model analysis. Compare pre-death and post-death dental image. Dental excretion, pulp, tissues, or dentine can yield nuclear or mitochondrial DNA. Age estimation from teeth. Teeth are a reliable indicator of biological age. Common method. Gustafson's method based on 6 age-related changes, iteration, periodontitis, etc. Demerison's method based on tooth development stage in children, cementum analysis, counting annual rings in tooth cementum like tree rings, used for germline identification or determining age of living persons in legal cases. Gender and ancestry determination. Certain feature can indicate sex and race through less accurately than DNA. Males often have larger and more robust teeth. Morphological traits differ slightly between population. DNA analysis from dental pulp provide definitive sex determination. Bite mark analysis. Bite marks are impressions left by teeth on skin or object used in assault, abuse, or homicide cases. Odontologists compare tooth spacing, shape, rotation, missing teeth, arc size. However, bite mark analysis is controversial due to subjectivity and potential error. Modern approach combine 3D scanning and digital overlay methods. DNA excretion from teeth. Teeth are excellent reservoir of DNA, especially when soft tissues are degraded. DNA can be obtained from dental pulp, dentine, and cementum. Useful for identifying remains when dental records are unavailable, confirming familial relationships through genetic analysis. Procedure in forensic dental identification. Collecting post-mortem data, clean and photograph teeth. Take x-rays and note dental characteristics. Collecting antemortem data, obtain dental records from dentists or hospitals. Comparison process, match fillings, restoration, shape, missing teeth, and radiographs. Reporting. Prepare reports stating if identification is positive, possible, insufficient, or exclusion. Challenges in forensic odontology. Lack of standard dental records in many countries. Variation in record keeping formats across dental clinics. Subjectivity in bite marks analysis. Difficulty in assessing antemortem data in disaster cases. Need for specialized training for accurate interpretations. Now, our last topic is conclusion. Odontology is a powerful tool for human identification. Teeth provide durable, unique, and scientifically reliable evidence. It preserves medical science and criminal justice, helping bring closer to families and justice to victims. As technology evolves, the accuracy and reliability of dental identification will continue to improve. Thank you.